How to use grabmart voucher code. Now, using a grabmart voucher code is very easy. It is like actually ordering out with, for example, grab food, and you will be able to enter that specific code once you have added something in your cart or on the checkout page. Now, before you go ahead and try to use your voucher code from grabmart, you have to understand first that you have to double check if that voucher code that you're using has this specific amount required for you to be able to use that code. For example, a minimum purchase. So for example, the code that you have has a minimum purchase of a $10 purchase. So if you will be purchasing below $10, then you won't be able to use that voucher code. So it's simple. For example, you will be adding something in your cart or order something to your cart. Once you are on your checkout page, that's the time that you can manually enter the code. And that's it. That's how easily you can use your GrabMart voucher code.